Hey friends, in today's video we have this website that is going to pay us just by listening to music, and right now I'm going to show you this payment proof. You can see how much people are making just by listening to music on the platform. So this is Match Payment, and you can see the date here. You can make $11 per one song, $3 per one song, $2 per one song. Right now let's go to our online calculator and see how much you'll be making per day. Let's say that you listen to 25 songs per day and you can make $11 per one song that you're just going to listen out of these 25 songs that you choose to listen. So you'll be able to make more than $275 in a single day. This means you can be able to make more than $80,000 in 1 month. This is a reasonable amount of money, and if you really want to do that, I want you to listen to this video till the end. You can see all the process. These steps are very simple steps, and you can start making money right away just after trying this method out. Alright, so this website that is going to pay us is called Mixkit.co, and we're simply going to get paid from this website. So in a very short time we'll show you how are we going to get paid on this platform. And right now I want you to take your phone ready or to take your laptop ready. You can follow all these steps that I'm going to show you in this video. And the good thing about this website is that it's available all over the world and is free. You don't have to pay for anything, and on this website it's not necessary for you to join on this platform. This is our first step, and the first step you need to do the following. You have to go to this website, which is called Mixkit.co, and you can see all these audios, and all these audios that you see right now, these audios are for free. You can use them with no attribution at all, and there are too many audios on this platform. Now in this video I will show you the special tips that will help you to make even more money. So now I want you to click this press which is written as genre. Then you can choose, and you can see different music genre right here. And right now we are going to choose acoustic music, as you can see here, or we can choose hip-hop stock music. And now you have to scroll down here, then you have to click play button. This is our first song that we're just going to listen on this video. You don't have to listen to the whole song because we have to do this to many songs on this platform, so you can just listen to this song and move to the next one. So right now I want you to find the download button down here, and you have to click here to download this song. And in order for you to make like a lot of money, you have to download as many songs as you can. You can download it 10 songs, you can download it 20 songs, or 100 songs on this platform. You don't have to sign up for you to download this song. This is a very good thing about this website. So that was our very first step for us to start making money just by listening music. So after downloading these songs, as you can see here, I've downloaded multiple songs on this video, and I'm going to show you how you're going to make money with all these songs that you have just downloaded on this platform. So this is our second step. I need you to go to this website which is called App Forever, and this website is going to pay you to upload files and images. So we're just going to upload these music files that we just downloaded from our very first website. So if we are just going to upload these music files on this platform, we can get paid if anyone is going to download these music files from our account. This is how this website works. So how much are you going to make on this platform? The amount of money that you are just going to make on this platform, it depends on whether you receive most of your downloads. I'm just going to take this as example. If your downloads are from America, you can make $7 per one song. So if someone is going to download one song from your account, you can make $7. More than 2 songs, you can make more than $14. So this is very interesting. So I'm going to scroll down here, and you can see there are 4 tiers, and these tiers represent countries. USA and Canada is Taiwan, and you can get $7. And tier 2 is Australia, and tier 3 is Saudi Arabia, which you can make $4, and tier 4 represent other countries. So if your downloads are from other countries, you can make $3 per download. So let's say if your downloads are from Africa, from India, you can make $3 only per one song. So you need to make sure that they're going to download a lot of songs. You need to upload a lot of songs for you to make like a lot of money if your audience is from India or Africa. The good thing about this website is that it's going to send money on your bank account or your PayPal. And as you can see here, all these payment methods are available on the platform, and you can start receiving money starting $10. So you have to make sure that you uploaded too many songs on this platform and you can get paid. So right now I'm gonna take you and I'm gonna show you a live example on how you can make money on the platform. You need to do the following for you to start making this kind of money. Since you are on this website, you have to go here and you have to click this place which is written as sign up. Then you have to click this button. The sign up process, it usually takes few seconds, so you can write your username here, your password, your email, and you have to accept that you're not a robot. Then you have to sign up. Since our account is ready, you have to click this place which is written as welcome. Then you have to select my account. Then your dashboard will show up like this. Now you have to click down here and you have to click payment info. Then you will have to choose which payment method that you will prefer to use for you to receive this money that you're going to get from these downloads. And then you have to save these settings. Right now, let's go to our last step. Now you have to come to this place on your left side and you have to click upload files. And on this page, we're actually going to upload the music that we downloaded earlier. You have to click this place which is written as choose file. Then choose any music that you downloaded, then select public. Then you have to write the name of the music and artist name. So you have to make sure that before downloading this music, before downloading this track, you have to write down the artist name. This is very important. For any song that you downloaded earlier, you have to make sure that you have written down the name of the artist. So if you come on this website, you are supposed to write the name of the artist, so it will be very easy for your music to be found. And then you have to click here start upload. It usually takes very few seconds. It depends on your internet connection, and for me now it's already done. And next we have to go ahead and choose the music price. How much are you going to sell this music for anyone who is going to download? You can choose $11, you can choose $7, you can rate right here. The more people are going to download these uploads from your account, the more money you're just going to generate from your account. And this money that are being generated from your account, they can be sent on your bank account right away after reaching $10. So it will be up to you on which amount you want to withdraw your money. This is very important, guys, and I wish you all the best. This is the most trusted website. I've seen a lot of good reviews. As I showed before, there are a lot of payment proof. People are saying that they're getting $11, $12 every single second. As you can see right now, people are making decent and a reasonable amount of money. All you want to do right now is for you to follow all the steps, all the methods that I've used in this video. And if you're just going to apply this method, you can really get paid from this website. And the good thing about this website, all these payment methods are nearly available all over the world. So you really have to go there and try this website, and I'm pretty sure that you can make a decent amount of money. Thanks so much for watching my videos, and I hope to see you next time.